eye odisheba etwa lawyer Kusi interview menya copy no questions bia na mbese mebusa ka ba akopɛ wa musa ba me bowie an mebusa no ensem a eye menua eye odisheba ebusa eye lawyer Kusi enyina na ye on point mebasi ye tie full interview no ye 20 minutes ye wie pɛ na afi no odo comment ego comment section ye tie eye interview a menua bema eye odisheba etwa lawyer Kusi ubetimi no comment ego comment section.
And I said, yeah, me did say media na how pa bia na if na nyina ne that way. First of all, o clients and say no what to say pa emotionally, no what to say.
Yes, so initially difficult for her, but I said yeah. As I can accept, accept the situation is here, move on. She's okay.
Right. Yeah, that's the same as well. Now, and come be a street in a so Ghana for need be a do a bruchera to say, Nipa be worried. And it's a lawyer Kusi why yet the service to Mami Akosua Serwaa all because based on the ruling by a judge and say more documents are more tender and for the right procedure. A dear na judge in a part na other now yes, lawyer.
That's not share tea for you answer. Like you know, now you say court Akosua Serwaa Odo because we are under ordinance. Now ordinance marriage should they prove near certificate. And I record to so now judgment in the and Yama watch baby to me the here pan is also say certified certificate no. And you are due to man. But yeah, I think that's the summary of decision. And you know, a man our dear and that's all and your ordinance. A man in Domina Kutikuna. That's what she said. The official certification of documents now section 161 of the Evidence Act and they provided for. Okaya. Or I would create every abrochire official signature also. Also certify that country na signature also no Ghana embassy. Now certify. You must have buy. I be the assembly. May apply for injunction.
Right. Yeah.
I know court and council refuse injunction, but pursue the assembly. And Sanya in Sanya
yeah.
Or granted injunction of any effect. No my timetable. And in total, she gave us 5 days to finish with the case. And I'm here Fally and Kraten Anna the starting group. And members of the Carter Sunday were. And he applied to Ghana embassy in Germany. Say a certified certificate, you know, they received it, they emailed you, acknowledge receipt. I'm so hear from them. And then my client to Germany, some fan call German embassy for certification. You know, because I haven't ever buy them. And the idea as I will draw judging attention to that fact. They told me, you know, you subpoena an officer of the German embassy to give expert evidence. And also the fan so subpoena and so call and them say 2 days or 3 days. Experts number you draw judging attention. Judge so me prime minister because I found it because of diplomatic immunity to from a time. Any dia some na ye dia some premier dia reason in here. Over section 161 subsection 1 subsection 2 and subsection 3. Subsection 3 necessary a basse ni pane per certification no anya na say adanse or say or pen wanya judge admitum no akohwehwem tio and it is under the subsection 3 that we tendered the document, she admitted it. And also all deciding or do we do not say or no there. In fact, or can't say we know on your comfort or some can say document require fake in free Germany. Or something look like home.
Whoa.
So in baby and in free Germany. But to me, how would that it profit me? Say international case, no call action, no go photocopies of big documents. I want to Ghana, and him say Lumba, Akosua Serwaa Odo Germany. In fact, second defendant, the witness of friend, or say Lumba na to the num catch. I'm now the alleged marriage, second defendant, no. Umbisa no so my worry, Germany, but at the Japan. And look, the evidence that was led in court was not doubtful. For the judge to say, she'll be woman say, Wama warranty, document me to many. But the defendant now did you say worry for Germany.
Right, but lawyer,
based on attended document, yes.
Based on our experience, our law field, a judge, I will be there attending a document. So born a money baby, I would West Britain buying. So what catch a document ni fake, Send it one case who see here was a judge. I would yes and what we cast a me because document near the buy, no more family book could be and no more certificate. We had already tendered the certificate, not so for original. Same copy, same seal, same signature, or sadena parties in me on the signature and say Ghana the NTA. Minia Ghana law determined German law. Debbie. So in this case,
in Germany, is a registrar who is issued a certificate.
That's right.
Who assign.
Wow.
And how can you look at a certificate and say because the Berman or band signature a fake? A child said she was motivated by something different from the law to come to that conclusion. And until you are appealing,
right?
I mean, apart from certificate, there are several evidences. Can you believe, sir, second defendant? Dear dance, say, or the photo by photo, never will be left hand the echa ato the chest. So, I'm a copromotino, Akodi left instead of right. I demonstrated in the court. She was silent. She didn't even talk about it.
Photo editing in the court. Yes. Court now, secret, yes. Fake, Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
I know the one who's a fake. And you obviously know I know put be the action. Otherwise, it is sad to hear those commentaries.
Kafrao, me krata bi wa ha free Republic of Ghana Judicial Service. It's about notarying of documentations. Yes, on the 3rd day of November. Sir, we know mudi notarize which document?
All the documents. In fact, we are the coin block. And now, omuyi be free say those ones German document don't notarize it. And all other documents, power of attorney and all other things, the nationality, they were notarized. And I'm the player back.
So,
but the argument is that we didn't make an effort. I want to prove to them that we did more than necessary. Because if you say time you procure those things, no? But the law under section 1613 permits that. It's permissible in law. So
because it seems that judge ruling pinch you against the public and they say why you shoddy work for your client based on that direction what the man will say one fan for the right procedure. And then I mean say right procedure and no person what they say right procedure bear because now from the judicial service
certified. Yes.
Also one year the one certification I'm free him which Germany or Ghana?
I'm free Germany. When you say I call German in Ghana, and I'm trauma say at the time I do Lumbe will none of Akosua Serwaa no baby uncle.
Yeah, I
can't.
It was a letter and so has so.
Yes. So yeah, they call almost certified or high in Germany. So all of them were sent to Germany for certification. Am I? Can I force the German government to release it immediately? Do I even have the capacity to do that? And we drew the judge's attention. And under section 1613, it is permissible. And Kafura, judgment not judge, I disagree. And I think no popular the action.
So Mami Musa, letter your free German embassy to affirm say yes, there was a marriage your friend the Akosua Serwaa. Are you saying that this letter still a crater and your fake free German embassy?
It is from German embassy. They attach a copy of the certificate. to it from their own system. It's from German embassy. It's verifiable. It's verifiable. So, but the judge chose to say all of them are fake. Now, said will be my judgment. I said to me, Kasa.
So
exactly. Now,
adia ba ko ye warrant kakra wa you say ye tie case a wo de call court on behalf of your client na ye case na ne say me ko busa court say or afirm say me na me ye only wife not to contest with any other person or why be kuna
exactly
then na case exactly. Move from me fact na ye person ye establish the court say after the me akrama judge na say ono an kasa discretion no after the ye miem na we nye kuna but enye no say nye kuna so ntina mo court na
there be an ancillary relief. It was an ancillary relief to we as fraud you know anti the upper so you know why anti appeal court no tianso yeko so judges me nsan nhwem no me hesitate and say we were right in law
but in one kasa mo mra mo no so no say meaning say wo appeals court wa sometimes the judge's discretionary authority be empene ma won tender in further evidence case we no say obefa no say wo kona ya ma kwan
in fact na ke be say ye be the arsenals be to abontin but like you are saying there's a way to do it, and we intend to explore that one.
Okay. Now, Minoka say there's a billboard that shows say on the 13th of December, church calls for Sueke that the Lumba Ye Basso. Often say,
minimum has some, and in fact, do show me case now. My uncle said, Miko year some, our seminam cocaine.
Okay.
And to be for our seminam here is not within. Doesn't lie my mouth to speak to it.
But they say no, our client no. In fact, one day the middle of the conversation, no, about say ya, oh your court case no, you no so bet me about ye ni biana.
Without this over.
Without one.
Third time, Nusha, for her to prepare.
But German citizens know what German in the release be about Bonti on what I say. On the data, more court no, not as because of Sunya Ghana or a German citizen. So they are also proposing say they will challenge that the Lumba ni citizens' authenticity. Say even Ghana government does not have the jurisdiction to pronounce anything to a more cost petition the German embassy say German government should come in. What yes ask me how to say.
Who's a petition be security as 9,000 something people. Means no they are oh say Ramono ye will be a friend or be domiciliary baby out here over conflict of law.
Okay.
Usually in the case of Lumba he was living in Ghana at the time of his death. He had his businesses here, had his children here, and even though he was a German national, he has his domicile here in Ghana. And the Bassa Ghana money DNA near and nothing action now. Yam for Hokra. We didn't even pass there because I want to not strength any Hokers here. Beyond dispute, nobody has disputed the fact that he was a German national. What is an issue is whether or not the laws of Ghana can govern his estate and the law, to my understanding, is yes.
Lawyer, Mami Usawo said the society in trust, especially team legal wife, most of legalized married women no na omani je on the way no. But it seems baby ya do enam decision e free court by anything. Nipa bebre no wan kasa no wabamu bu case ya obedi akire ya na wabamu bu ana.
Me dem abamu mu ba kokra ba omo bo mi so ma se me law na me die na me da. So and where judges write judgments as though somebody didn't even speak in court. So you can't send you a misa judgment man. Misa no question. What do I say? Ubakasa contradicting her. Ubakasa the evidence and here say judgment, but that is what it is. He contradicted himself severally. He gave all his evidence was hearsay. You get the point. But who really judgment in the because any man you record. Thank God, sir. Your cross examination that baby back out. So, and it's even show the confidence of people. So with these questions and answers there, we are Kusi be winning. And the we are lawyer near. Not really lawyer now. But that's how I was admonishing lawyers who are making negative comments. Go and take the proceedings and read the full test. Now who say near and I say any. Don't say that. I that is the judge.
But yeah, I mean, that's right. But and there's another lawyer be US no can say. Other than a lawyer now, a lawyer no general mammy Akosua ni nim say case now they call court no ni fast a bullet crown now they call face no enough. A bit say I mean certification now one call for stay of execution for I mean now call say chinchina or could diasa because when him say what trip be Germany and buy and I will call ya then yes I'll call you.
See, I'm not my coins are number one.
So there's a number two.
Sir, number two. You call a injunction. Yeah, near person community a share to a year so. Now you decide who the spouse will be. So an injunction on Yajuma. At the end of the injunction on Yajuma say for year giant. And you were happy when the judge says so dear some answer and 6 December. We are happy. Not knowing that the certification will take a longer period of time. What does it? From CMC, and I'm just share timetable my debate. As a matter of fact, the judge during CMC said, "Oh, will be an amendment." Now, all of us were agreeable in them, and not because I thought about affecting the law permitted it, and in fact, defendants decided Supreme Court authority. And when they quoted the law, that is what the Supreme Court said. But in circumstances where the certification was not there, but yet there was evidence that would try when the court would accept it. Because you look at other pieces of evidence that make it say defendant Naji Tumse Lumba Kadam Zawari Germany in the records.
Okay.
And under cross examination. At the end, there was no doubt that it was. What was left to finish it was the certificate. And even if you doubt the certificate, what about the admission that the person was married? It should be a basis for you to trust the document that we have brought. One about warrior, about fixed certificate or the Betia dance here. Now, when indeed she is married.
Wow.
The pictures or see pictures, I the buy and now. Almost sign signature. And it's a certificate signature and this is another and yeah, papa. Look at this.
But
on one in the picture they were signing signatures. Another evidence that there was a marriage.
Now there was another video be na Daddy Lumba any man Akosua Serwaa those days. Now we mujina there be more with German for and no more sign kiss in our course with flowers. And we a video Uncle to be
Uncle B after a case in that Akosua Serwaa Odo Broni buy.
Oh. So those are another
at the time she was giving us evidence. He had in hard copy. He had in hard copy
Whoa.
Near hard copy, but near video no motion one. And the hard copy near the choir judge in a picture of near a science certificate. But certificate at the bar register and one sign the parties now signed just say fake.
Wow.
Are you getting the picture?
Yeah. Lawyer, and based on this ruling, we are seeing a Kobe BA. Also say Bibi and free Nazareth Ama a bit and as a best set a bad precedent for married people because it says said here it could be a dim come say
that is why I don't think the mean restaurant are us. We should proceed to fight it till we get the right thing done.
That's right. Lawyer, Moko court during the cross examination. or Charles Kodofo so abusuafo ni bi ba be di adanse say the defendant no ya ye ne ho ade no on gina mu aye ne ho ade bibi sa pie mu court ana
been pomada. According to been pomada, she was present in both marriages.
Oh,
traditional one ordinance ni na no. I don't think judge say no correct.
Okay. Wow. Okay, so Mami Akosua Bempoma were prime witness to both marriages and they see Ghana and they see abroad.
Yes. Okay. Yes. She was present.
Oh. Okay, now young court the one Presla aka Odo Broni die no. During the cross examination Busuani bi of free Lumba side. Eba be testify sampai Lumba ye ne ho de na me gina wo bia na say ni city e course court.
Dabi. I was paying a dear dance or sin ni ho.
So there na yes Lumba ware no in work.
Mama we grants also. Almost the list of people who were present at the marriage. I know I started bobo din when I was cross examining Akosua Penny. Your body was so no. Your body was so no. There's any women that say I want to no. Of the church by. This was the evidence of Akosua Penny. Abusuani.
Wow.
After the chair was say you know, you be din idea no or say you say or say on a catch would have been 2015. 2015. Now you have to penny. Papa is the banner or catch say on a koji. So there was nothing like that. The evidence on record shows that there was nothing like a marriage. So there was nothing like a marriage. I know now. The baby dance yes, Emma, you know. Priscilla, it besides the shot, there been and a while was a captain. Meanwhile, preacher I'm the buy or double need to buy a suit.
Whoa.
All these pieces of evidence was there.
So necessarily okay, even on Priscilla Wadi, no, the immediate family members we say Akosua Bempoma and the Sinafosu just a woman ne kure betumi ahu no obia no otimi ba testify sampa ye ware Odo Broni na me gina ho
obia ni ho
wow
obia ama
wow
bienzo I been pomade o ka se wa anware no ware na ko be ka che Charles kan bibia che no wa anware no o ya we so na wo atunu badi ni ba wa anware no been pomade said.
Right. Lawyer sa case we law Ghana law ebiasi pen say yeah I mean awade obi won disease bi kona na chi case we ebiasi pen.
O cases the bebresi. I know it's based on those cases na amount to this action similar ones. Yeah will be a or no award will be under ordinance or any time 20 years. Or bound by court said the ordinance certificate go under year. And several of them. That is why we mounted this action. Because that is the decision of the Supreme Court in Ghana. And don't you know, in order to circumvent it, she says, one year certificate into because you two man Odo Broni here.
Oh, so that is I mean intentionally anyway. Wow. Because I mean say it's so shocking say and yes, I say, upper hand being Sakasi be okay, Anamudi, because I mean, anyway, and pair Casad. I mean, Ghanaians are talking, Nipa 80 old doors of power, we are Fanana. So we're interested in some Wokan. Now, a court honor, court no. First day, no judge in the castle, Mon Consam Rebuno. No was someone kofakata be na momfamra. No was someone koyede na was monsamra.
Never did she say that we should go and come again. The only time she spoke about document is a tender. You started hearing. And you tender a marriage certificate. And I told you the hearing was only for 8 days. You tender a marriage certificate, no raise your objection on the admissibility of the document. And I'm responding to it. Say admissibility. There are only two legal principles for admissibility: relevance and stamping. And this is not raising it. It has to do with weight. And I ruling out the two. Would you be part of I'm for original match? That's the only time.
Whoa.
And now, yeah, the original buy me the buy on a Friday. Me can't answer one day. Monday, you got to yeah, my light off. Yeah, there's a man that lights the call off.
Oi.
And to the Monday, no, and I'm buying my lady. I have the originals here. Not even for my channel, this my other side. I know me, I want to Atuana, Yakoe, who say, me, go to photocopy to O'Clock. You go here photocopies by. And I don't original my back. So the only time she asked us for a document was in respect of the document we tendered. One can be about document.
Wow, interesting. Lawyer, one worry be.
I say judgment for my 1 month to say,
yeah, anything me was how. But I mean, this ruling, it seems that there's a lot of controversies in it. I mean, hidden business be because also my 1 month say monk or catcher now.
Ain't true. Now, case you how many days in the year? The whole case. I'll cross check and give you the exact date we filed the suit and when judgment was given. And it was the 1 month. Yeah, file CMC. Yeah, CMC. We know. I'm not sure we had more than 10 days to finish the case.
Wow. Lawyer, one more worry wa Ghana na tiabro chen bebre nsunu guje. One say me musa question we. Emra bi wa Ghana say o ware wukunu na kofa oba foforo ne tra more than 6 months a ye classify ne say wa ware no ana na more than that to bibi sa wa Ghana mra mu ana.
Anya no we be say ni Ghana mra mu.
Ti wukunu ene oba foforo ko wo tena emra bi ani Ghana betumi classify say still ye yere because the be man atena.
What the judge is saying, so no, you can't know you to yes, I go to my judgment. No, my what does it? Yeah, I'm funny say what you can't to man could can say. And in fact, in the early stages of his judgment, or say if the marriage is ordinary, then there cannot be any second wife, or no can the judgment. And in order to get a second wife, she disagrees with our document. It is fake. It is not certified.
So they will
go back to the traditional marriage.
Technical knockout ban or the man walk out. Oh no, that's a technicality.
Oh no, could have. You're born technical. You're born technical.
That's right. That's right. Eti, I was for more we are self and I'm Ubusa lawyer. No, Mamma Yamushimo. Ukunu will be called Trimpana lawyer, Simbrabian anyway. Minim dear was Simbrabian who was a Beman will be Trimpana automatically in Nipan Benny. Was Simbrabian and I lawyer and yes, Eti said, what is the way forward? Was it the way forward near dear?
Oh, but in law, no, sir. Court to judgment now disagree. Also appeal against the decision. Now try Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal and Akosua Supreme Court. We are exploring all possible avenues to make sure that the right thing is done. They are straightening law. Okay. This judgment is like a cancer. The
judgment is like a cancer. Who judge the best spread on?
Best spread.
I remember bebre at a Satibia Wimbiana.
Opa, Azamba issues about
wow.
For aha Konaba television. A free and Tuesday bia, Yawada bia, anasa kwesiada ebia. Sa 3 days me yesi was a meko live, live program. Ghana time no 7 p.m. na your live. That is 2100 CET. In 2 person here live program now we interacting with Asia. Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays at 7 p.m. Ghana time, 2100 CET. That is Central African time. Near our live, our Akosua television, so we YouTube. Into fatu trim na join your page. Say be ya, ubenya program ni bia hwenti. Kai so be like page no na me adomanos for notification. Subscribe to channel way for more update. Medase.
Hello, Businyafo. Unique laser whitening and mama official pa. Na me kai said this Christmas Eve. So we pay products for papa. I'll try chow for amana sere, amana dawase, amana love forever and ever dear. And one unique laser whitening product. I say your toothpaste no. And the more mo be do what dance. The use so there. I very simple. The only one say utu so. Na would you go wo brush no so. Na would you treat with send so nyina. Come. And your products there. Any tea stains, coffee stains, smoking stains bia unique laser whitening product. Ebe nyina free so ma come. So we pay a laser no so and no ni your gadget ne there indeed unique. I using the nyede very simple. Oh start here. Open use shade guide no first. I the shade guide and actual so send a bell be how you are improving on the treatment. Using nyede nkra. We are na wafa gel no. We gel now and no utuso o share your gel pen no krana which means say indeed unique o twist no kakra o say gel no flow through the brush na o dia fifa o sinisu nyina come uria na wash tray o bi one more say bia ontimi enkenkan ontimi ready a enye there are instructions on how to use no picture form instructions on how to use the product. News and yet den cry. It could be not toma or for this Christmas. Put the gel no fat or sinisuria, not wash it trade. And then 15 minutes. Now we are more rings when we come and it's this Christmas day. Young Pomodia Yanto unique laser whitening product. Young Famaya Dofo not on joy, not on sri, not on love you forever and ever. Unique laser whitening or say money says so.
No bambo here. Na me papa mu die. Pro Technologies and me come from our Annie Pro Technologies. We are specialized in both sales and installation of CCTV cameras. Yeton esa install CCTV cameras in the South Ghana and NASA brochure now for Ghana. Now beso CCTV camera installation. We need Pro Technologies and in South. We CCTV camera installation, electric fence, automated gate, access control, video doorbell. Opedia man yene nane buansu that form. Ni general construction. So pesi si ufie di mau say ya bansoro. Dentia so washasiye na pesi di bawo anafe na pese sidima wo no woni en eminsa wo so ne de wo ni se ye no nyina ne wa brochima mu ha ene branch e wa Ghana na enim obra wo bre nti so sika fa ensemu a sro bia nim wo dad da e dey bi apese osi play bia and when she saw here solar power and a bamba won sensem bi ade oni Pro Technologies eminsa wo so ye smart home aba from fidie bi apese hye wo fi ana intercom ebi hujuma ene esanso interior decoration yes ufie na mawo ana wa wasi ufie na pese siesi hodoma wo se eye office ye betwa ho neat ne wo car tracker ana GPS how betimi dia track your car bibia car na nam bia obetima hwe e wo phone so and we just what fidie bi na wo hu ko so install ana ne settings ye beye e ye Ghana office ewo Ashie Adenta Dodoa Road ye ne CBG ene di animhwe for information or WhatsApp +1 401 7570 300 and +1 401 6992 254. Pro Technologies. Customer satisfaction is our topmost priority. It's centered on your